Turn on the EBIC. Push the right turn signal trigger. The left signal is lit. This means the taillight was misplaced. The direction of the obtuse angle also proves the mistake, which should be downward. This can be fixed with the equipped toolkit. The 8mm socket wrench is needed. It works with the square extension bar. Loosen the two nuts first. By hand later. Reverse its position so the obtuse angle is correctly downward. Tighten one nut by hand first. Make sure the black cable is in the middle. Install the other nut. Tighten the nuts with the extension bar at last. Push the right turn signal trigger. No problem. And test the left turn signal trigger. Well done.